Definitely winning prizes in the contests. That was fun. My wife won a lot. Our sister-in-law won as well. It was nice to see that there's a lot of people attending. It's been like Hans said, it's 10 years. Hopefully we get 10 more and new collabs coming in.
It was fun here. We got to see first time yung Packolab release. So it's really rare for Packolab to release in-stock items. So siguro big opportunity for the community to purchase it as in first dibs kasi unahan talaga siya. It's really nice. First time to experience a carry event here. Talagang na-experience ko na maging represented here. 10 years. It's been 10 years. Finally, different brands coming together.
The reveal ng Packolab is great. At least yun yan. It's very hype. Can't wait for 2026, I guess. You get to see yung mga like-minded individuals. What's your last on your mga flat lay nga. And I tried the flat lay station din kanina. So, people are very passionate about getting their stuff together, getting their life together.
Favorite part, I think it's the raffles because the prizes were very good and very interesting. So super stoked about that.
Yeah, the raffle too since I won. So
Yeah, I think the event was well put together. I feel like we get to really see how the carry community is growing, and I'm very new to EDC, so it's good to see that we have a very good base camp, as I would call it. Kasi this is a place where we can all get to know each other and get to meet people who are into the same hobby as I am.
Community is very welcoming, very supportive of making sure na you get the best value for your money, and that's something that we always strive for din naman. Very welcome to everyone. There is a Facebook group called Carry Peeps PH. There's also a very active messenger group chat as well. If you want to join, just look for it on Facebook or message us on Instagram, Facebook, or even on our website urbantravelerco.com, and we will be able to connect you there. Libre naman sumali, and actually hindi mo kailangan na meron ka ng bag or anything. Walang brand na requirement para sumali dito. Everyone's really welcome, and it's more about sharing stories with one another as well.